Wellness Living Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you run a fitness or wellness business, the Wellness Living app promises to streamline bookings, payments, and client management, but is it really effective? One of the biggest pros is organization. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for scheduling classes. The app allows business owners to manage appointments, memberships, payroll, and invoices all in one place. Clients can book classes, purchase packages, and receive reminders, which reduces no-shows and administrative headaches. Another advantage is reporting and analytics. You can track revenue, monitor staff performance, and analyze client retention trends. Integration with marketing tools allows you to send promotions and communicate with clients effortlessly. The app is designed for both desktop and mobile use, making management flexible and convenient. However, there are cons. Some users report a learning curve when exploring advanced features. Pricing can be higher for smaller businesses, and certain integrations may require additional setup. Offline functionality is limited, so internet access is essential for full operation. In conclusion, the Wellness Living app is a powerful platform for fitness and wellness businesses. The surprising truth is that while it automates many tasks, success depends on fully utilizing its features and staying engaged with clients. If you want to simplify scheduling, boost client engagement, and gain insights into your business performance, Wellness Living can be a game changer when used consistently and strategically.